Hello, my Biafran people. Good morning, all Biafrans. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm saying this. I'm calling the American government, the people, a country who doesn't support evil. And I am saying this about one Reverend Fadambaka. He's a criminal. That Fadambaka. That father always campaign about Buhari. See the killing. I pray that these Muslims will come and massacre him one day. This father always, this Ejike Mbaka is not a father, he's a criminal. The world to see how the Muslims are killing the Christians all over Nigeria. The Fulanis, the terrorist Fulanis, Boko Haram Fulanis, Mietiala, is killing people in Nigeria. I am calling the world to come and divide that country for the nations in that contraption to secure themselves. To secure themselves. That one Nigeria is not working. The Muslims are killing people. The Fulanis are killing people. I am saying this, calling the world. I am calling the world to put eyes in Nigeria. There is more killing in Nigeria. There is killings in Nigeria. And I'm saying another thing. You see that the Northerner, the APC, put the president Hope Uzodinma in that Imo state. I am calling that Hope Uzodinma. He's not a governor. No, it's not us who put him there. That Hope Uzodinma. You see what you are bringing Islam to us more close. You will bear the consequence. If you think that Biafra is not coming, it's all of you people who is sabotaging our struggle. Your children, you people will face the consequence. Just watch. It's just a matter of time. All of you and your children will live in underground. You and your children will live in underground. And I'm urging all the Biafrans, any state, the Fulani kill people, and that governor is coming to console people in front of your home, keep it as a secret. As that governor or that representative from the government house is coming to console people, kill that person in front of your home there. It can't be mourning your people, and they are coming to console you. As one of the governors said that if they kill you, federal government will give you 500,000. So our life worth 500,000 naira. I am saying this violence, this ship we sunk. This ship will capsize. This ship all of us will sunk at the same time. All of us will perish at the same time. As we are saying this, we are not going to give any inch of a land in the Igbo land, in Biafra. I am calling South. There is not anything like South. Igbo, Ibanke, all the tribe make up this Biafra. Let us unite and fight one common enemy. Fulanis is our enemy. The Islam is our enemy. The Islam is our enemy. Islam is our enemy. I'm calling the Europeans. That is a religious war in Nigeria. That is a religious war in Nigeria. The world should come and intervene. That is a genocide. That is a genocide going on in Nigeria. Only from January this new year, almost 10,000 Christians have died. 10,000. Forget that 6,000, 8,000. There are 10,000 as the one I have count. 10,000 Christians they have killed in Nigeria. News is not publishing that. The world, Nigeria is killing Buhari and his people, and his general is killing the Christians in Nigeria. I am calling all pastors, all reverends to speak out, to speak up. The war is coming to our doorstep and we are about to bounce back. And we will start from our leaders in Biafran land. We will start from our leaders. This is only what I can say. I am calling UN, calling American government, Donald Trump, please help us to divide our country. We want to stay in our own. Their country is not working. We doesn't have the same culture. We don't have the same religion. We don't have the same idea. We don't have the same mentality, the same character. Let's divide our country. British government is see what you people have done to us. You have joined us together. When you know that it's not going to work out. Can you join Taliban with British government together? Can you join Afghanistan people with the British together? Even if, let me just say, American government, check it on yourself. If you can say that American government and Taliban and European government can be one. It can't. We have different culture. We have different idea, different ideology. Let them live on their own. Let them live on their own. The world should come and divide Nigeria. That the Christians is dying. Christians is dying. From the northern Christians, from the middle belt Christians, and they are coming down to Igbo Christians. They want to kill us. And genocide is going to happen. Let this one should not be a Biafran war. Nigerian civil war, Biafran war. The war should intervene. British, God will punish you. God will turn you what God done to Pharaoh. God will do it to British government.